Hello dear students, today we are going to start lesson number 10, the present tense, page number 64. Dear students, we have been using this tense with the present tense for maybe a couple of years, maybe right from the beginning. So we are some way or the other familiar to this tense. Yet I am going to discuss maybe I will tell you something more or maybe the less than what you have studied, but let's see what we are going to achieve at the end of this class. I hope I will be able to help you in a better way. The simple present tense is used to express habits, general truth, repeated actions, or unchanging situations, emotions, and wishes. My dear students, let me repeat, where to use the present tense. That's very important, We need to learn where to use all these tenses. Just like the first one, the present tense as we are talking, it is used to express habits, general truths, then repeated actions or unchanging situations, emotions, and wishes. Just like the unchanging situations, let me give you an example. Kolkata is a large city. Kolkata is a large city. So this is a general truth. Next one, when we give the instructions also, to give instructions or directions, as you say, like you walked for 200 meters, then you turn left. So that is also an example of present tense only. Now one more, to express fixed arrangements or present or future, Fixed arrangements like the exams, the exams are being scheduled. Your exams starts at 9 o'clock. So that is also an example of simple present tense. So dear students, please try to remember all these things. Now, at the same time, we will be talking about the present continuous tense as well. So present continuous tense is a grammatical tense that can be used to describe when an action happened or may happen. You can use it to describe both events that are happening in the present right now while you are talking about something, or in the future something that may or will happen later on. So for these two things, you need to remember. Let me tell you when to use it once more, to describe both events that are happening in the present right now while you are talking about something, or in the future something that may or will happen later on. And we use present continuous tense by using the present form of the verb be plus the present participle of a verb. Now, as I have already written here, things that are happening now. So present continuous is used for things that is happening now. You can use the present continuous tense to describe immediate events taking place in the current moment. Just like she is eating dinner right now and she cannot answer the phone call. So this is like the other one. Let us see temporary events for a longer actions that may be taking place for a temporary period only. You can use the present continuous tense to describe them. It can be used for any temporary situations, no matter how long or short it is. Like the example, he is studying a new language at the moment. He is studying a new language at the moment. And for future plans, this is the present continuous tense is also used. How it is, let's see once. When describing something that will take place in the future, the present continuous tense can be used when you are discussing something that is already discussed or planned ahead. Like, let me repeat once more. Future plans, when you are describing something that will take place in the future, the present continuous tense can be used when you are discussing something that is already discussed or planned ahead. Let us take for example, like um, when we are at the airport, we are taking a private car direct to the hotel. So this is an example of future plans, okay, which is used in the present continuous tense. So dear students, let us see once again from the board, okay, which are the things I have already told you. These are all the repetitions. As you can see there, to express habits, general truths, repeated actions, or unchanging situations, emotions, and wishes. Secondly, we see to give instructions or directions. Third one is to express fixed arrangements. So this is all okay used in the present tense. Let's see the next one, the present continuous tense. Things that are happening right now. The other one, okay, for temporary events, and for future plans we use present continuous tense. And dear students, you must remember one thing, that you have to make a chart here, both present tense and present continuous tense. Simple present tense, just like this, okay, you have to make 3 columns. Here you will be writing person, the other one is singular, the last one is plural. So when you write in the first, okay, person, please, you will write first person, okay, since there is no place, I am just writing like this only. The first person, what is the first person? We use, okay, I go. We'll take one verb over here. This is the root verb. And the first person plural, we go. Second person singular, you go. Second person plural also, we go. Third person singular, he, she, it, goes. So dear students, you must remember that in the third person singular we add s. Then third person plural, they go. So this is what you are going to write in your copy. So please write down this in the copy and learn. So also the future continuous tense. Okay, we will also write in the similar manner. The future continuous tense. No, not this is present continuous, not present continuous tense. Like I am going, we are going, here you are going, here also you are going, he, she, it is going, and they are going. So remember this chart, you are asked to write and learn in your copy. Please write it down and learn this one. So this is all about for today's discussion. We'll see the book now. Page number 64. Notice the verbs in these sentences. Rania swims with her friend. Rania is swimming with her friend. The tense of the verb tells us the time of an action. You should learn about the simple present and present continuous tenses. Let us see the difference, how it is being used in page number 65. Simple present and the other side present continuous tense. To talk about an action that is habitual or occurs regularly or is a universal truth. So for these kind of actions we use simple present tense. Whereas on the other side, let's see, present continuous tense talks about an action that is going on in the present or something that may or will happen later. Let's see, the second difference uses the root form of the verb, that plus s, es in singular or plural, The other side, okay, am, is, are, then, okay, we see that the ing form of the verb. Just for example, okay, let's see the example of the second point. Okay, you can see there, Rocky dances gracefully. So es is added. And the second one, okay, let's see the another example. My parents go for a walk every evening. A magnet attracts iron. The other one, okay, let's see the example of present continuous tense. I am eating my lunch every early. Tara is traveling by train tomorrow. They are playing against our clock. So all these are the examples of both present tense and present continuous tense. Let's see the exercise now. Complete the paragraph using the present continuous tense form of the verb in the brackets. So here we can see here we are supposed to fill in the blanks with the present continuous forms. They are having a meeting. Okay, they are having a meeting inside. I wonder what they are discussing. So see this one. So you just write down as it is given in the book. So when you write the answers, this is question number A. 1. They are having, just underline the answer, they are having a meeting inside. Meeting inside. And for the next sentence, you must put number 2. Okay. So what's the next sentence is, I wonder what they are discussing. Discussing. So this way you just go on writing. So question number A, you are going to write in your copy. Hope I have made it clear to you. If you have any kind of clarifications, you may ask. Thank you so much.